Here is another Vermont Vital Records card that I want to take one step deeper into how this data came about. We're looking for a Charles F. Sheldon. Over here it's a birth of a male, Sheldon. S-H-E-L-D-O-N, Charles. And then I don't know if it's an F, if they put the F on there or not. But we see he was born in 1881. So we scan, oh, here's a Charles Frank in 1881. There we go, get that guy, and I'll look at a family view. And Charles had, he had a dad named Fred. No, this one is a Charles, another 1881. Here's one here, Charles Fred, whose dad was Fred. Oh, this is it. I think this is it. So we have this Charles Fred matches this Charles Fred. He was born August 18th, 1881. Fred Sheldon on the right, born in Rupert. And we have Elizabeth, born in Lee, New York, and Edith Alcott. Elizabeth is not Edith. Where in the world did Edith and Elizabeth? How come this isn't Elizabeth? So in checking my conversion from the old database, I had a Sheldon number that I converted everyone from. I'm going to copy this Sheldon number, and then I'm going to run the old 2006 database in Access called the Sheldon Family Genealogical System. It pops up, then I'm going to go search for that Sheldon number and see what it used to be. There's the Sheldon number, paste in. And here we have Fred Austin Sheldon, but we're looking for his wife. And here she is. It is a Edith. Oh, look at it. Middle name was Elizabeth Alcott. Now, where did that Elizabeth go to when I converted this data? That's a good question. It was in the data before. If we double click on Edith, we find out that, oh, her alternate name is Elizabeth Alcott. So it is Elizabeth, and this one checks. Now on the sidebar, if I was looking for Elizabeth Alcott, it is with a plus sign because that's an alternate name. If I were to go to options and do not show alternate names, it wouldn't show Elizabeth Alcott. It would only show up here Edith Alcott. And then if I show alternate names when I'm looking for them, all of those pluses come back, and now you can see, come on, where is it? Now you can see that Elizabeth Alcott is a plus because it's an alternate name. That shows you how I converted the data from 2006 database in Microsoft Access. It also gives you an idea of why you want to show alternate names.